So I just finished picking the strawberries for the day, and we've got another good bowl. And I'm making jam tomorrow. But I was out here picking the berries, and it's a hot sunny day, so the mosquitoes are gone, and it's just beautiful out here. This is the garden. It's magnificent. My hubby's magnificent gardening skills at work. It's just beautiful. And the chickens had some watermelon on this hot day, so they seem happy. And it was just so beautiful, I had to share. There's classical music playing in the background. I don't know if you can hear it, but life is good today. Nature and music, these things make me so happy. And I am a very, very lucky human.